Assalam-o-Alaikum and welcome to Invest in Your Health, the place where your health gets priority. Today, we'll share a simple, natural home remedy that helps you stay young, energetic, and strong. Yes, old age doesn't have to slow you down, not if you take care of your muscles, energy, and daily nutrition. Let's begin. As we grow older, our body slows down, muscles shrink, joints stiffen, and our energy levels drop. However, many times it's not just age, it's also poor diet, lack of physical activity, and missing nutrients that accelerate aging. Luckily, you don't always need expensive supplements or medicines. Your kitchen already has powerful ingredients to delay aging. Here's a simple home remedy you can make at home. It's loaded with protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals to keep your muscles strong and energy high. 10 almonds, 2 walnuts, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, 1 tablespoon desi ghee, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 pinch cinnamon powder, 1 glass warm milk. Soak almonds and walnuts overnight. Peel almonds in the morning. Dry roast the flax seeds and then grind them. In a pan, warm 1 tablespoon desi ghee. Add crushed nuts and ground flax seeds. Lightly saute for 30 seconds. Add this mixture to warm milk. Mix in honey and a pinch of cinnamon. Drink it slowly. Drink this in the morning on an empty stomach or in the evening before bed. This natural mix is rich in omega-3 for brain and heart health, protein-packed to repair and build muscles, anti-inflammatory, reducing joint pain. Great for bone strength thanks to almonds and milk, boosts memory, digestion, and keeps skin fresh. And the best part, it strengthens your body from inside, delaying visible signs of aging. To stay young and strong, walk at least 20 minutes daily. Avoid sugar and deep-fried food. Sleep for 7-8 hours. Practice deep breathing or meditation. Eat more colorful fruits and green vegetables. Stay hydrated. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water. These habits and this remedy will make you younger and stronger. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it with your family. Let's grow stronger together naturally. Comment below if you want a video on memory boosters or weight gain remedies. Take care and remember, good health is your true wealth.